Hey, and welcome to my first Transformer toy review. The first one. And it's this dude. This dude right here. Bumblebee. Obviously. He's a good looking car. He looks hot. I like hot things. He looks hot. Yeah. There's Chevrolet back there. Uh-oh, series VHS. Hello. That was it. So, let's take a look at the books then, shall we? These are his instructions. Pretty confusing to be honest here, but it's just standard instructions. We have a huge picture of Bee there. Bee. Yes, his name is Bumblebee. Yes, he's an Autobot. Yes, this is for ages 8 and over. Yes, it is made by Hasbro. Yes, he is from Age of Extinction. Go on, get 98 Extinction logo. Yeah, focus, go on. Oh, you know what it looks like. What's this? What's this say? Transformers. $39.99 from Smith's. Smith's Toys and Stores. Nothing really on the side apart from that nice Autobot logo down there. On the back you have your good old item things, what they look like. Good looking me. Good looking. It's the same mould as the Dark of the Moon Bumblebee, but it's the same paint job as the Age of Extinction, so it's kind of weird. Bio, it says, move this bit here. Oh, it's just over here. Knows when to keep quiet and when to go on the offensive. Good to know. Anything on this side? Yeah. Transformers. Autobot logo. A fist. Yeah, Transformers Generations. This is made for older people like me. Oh, let's just talk like this. Yes. So that's it for the packaging. Now for the figure itself. Very cool looking car. Now I'm going to put it there, it says, what the heck does that say? Is that 900 STRA? So a Chevrolet badge here. Tail lights, spoiler. Obviously the striping's different from Dark of the Moon. Dark of the Moon had it going like it is one straight down the middle. Next straight in the middle. What else can we do? It's a good looking car. I like it. It's good looking. That's the end of the review. So you can turn off. I'm joking. No, I wouldn't do that. The doors open. You can't see open the doors. I love the way they open. It opens brilliantly. They don't open like a normal family car. They open kind of. Look, they just open normal, right? Run! He's got Lamborghini doors on a Camaro. On the other side. Oh man. See there? Camaro's got Lamborghini doors. That's awesome. I mean, look at that. That is just awesome. It's just amazing. Right. Transformation. Let's. Oh wait, before we go to transformation, you can get him into Stealth Force mode. I do not want to see Galvatron upgrade. Right, so I think he's working here. So, oh, doors are open. Yes, they are. These front section. Bring it forward. Like so. He's a pretty tall dude, right? Chest section. Chevrolet. They cheated. He's got 3 Chevrolet bodies, right? Hole right here. Tabs in right here. And this is not how you get it in Robot, this is how you get it in Stealth Force. Come on, man, is it lined up? Yeah, come on. Stupid. 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 Pooh. Yeah, you want it to the other side. And then you see these bits aren't the same, right? Yeah, these bits aren't the same. So let's push them in like that. Not the same. Yeah, it kind of weird from the front, but yeah. Oh, I just said not doing it. I'm just saying it's weird. Hole, the bottom of the door, tabs on, right here. It's not going on, is it? It's being a poo face. Stupid poo face. Right, and same on the other side. I'm really sorry if you can't see this. Why are it doing it? There we go. So you have him in his Stealth Force mode, doing death all off the table. Yeah, Bumblebee Stealth Force mode. Yeah, it's pretty good. Nothing really special. I suppose it's a canal of guns. Yeah, because it's every day. Yeah, spinning around is really standard spinning turntable stuff. I can't reach you. There you go. Where's Sam when you need him? Well, as we've started the transformation, let's finish it, shall we? I'm going to untab these arms from these posts, which can be quite stiff sometimes. Thought I heard something break then. No, it's fine. Bring these bits. Oh, good. Up. And I must say thanks to, while I'm doing this video, I must say thanks to 3 people actually who gave me inspiration to do these reviews, and I just want to say a big thanks to them. Those are Optimus, Piog and MGO316. All 3 of those guys gave me inspiration to do these, and I finally got the courage to do one too. Because obviously, in your first video, you're always nervous about it, but there you go. Just kind of have it like that. And tab this roof section, it tabbed in 2 tabs in here. Get out the way, man. Try to do something here. See, he's got a tab and then a hole. If you can see the hole, there's a hole there. Just bring it forward for now. Right, the leggings. Split. This one. Got this big yellow bit. Yeah, just bring it out. Both sides. There we go, there is Bumblebee in his little clothes. And he looks kind of weird. I'm joking! As if that's gonna be... It's a leader class, it's 22 steps by now. Oops, so, and then you want to... Right, do this, and then bring out his toe. He's only got one toe, he needs to go to a doctor. Bring out the heels. Oh, no we haven't, not quite. This black bit, let's bend it up so it's straight, otherwise he's going to have bendy chicken legs like his nemesis barricade, and that he doesn't have one of those. Oh, it just looks kind of stupid chicken legs. Flip out the dough, bring out the heel, the helly heel, the heel of heels. Come on, man, what? You're doing it. You're just lying me on purpose, ain't ya? Come on, dude. Dude. Thank you. Again, once again. Straight into feet. Oh yeah, these bits, I forgot about these bits. These shins, just bring them in. On these bits up here, you can just, they're on a single hinge, so you can do whatever you want with this. But you'll be able to pose them off later, just do this for now. Straighten his legs out. Come on, man! Thank you. And if you look, he just looks like a horribly mangled mess. Oh, hell no. Oh, hang on. Oh! I fell off a stand, okay. Bear with. There we go. Now, where were we? Oh, we just complete the legs, haven't we? Here we go, got a lovely pair of leggings. A beautiful pair of leggings. Right, I suppose if you want, you can do this bit now. So, keep this bit up. Don't put this down until you complete the whole transformation. These wheels, they detach. Reveal this square right here. In a minute, you're going to plug the arms in, but not yet, because otherwise it would just break. Now, bring these bits forward. Now, if you lift the doors up. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say one thing. I always forget to do this. If you get this bit on top of the bottom of the windshield, the bottom of the windscreen, right here, this bit, just push it all the way down. And then this bit, do it till it taps in. Another thing, give him some spinal compression syndrome, as Endo says. It's very extreme. Listen, you see this bit here? That needs to go all the way up to there. So it can be very flipping difficult sometimes. Come on, man. Sorry about that. I'm sorry, people. I am a threat to everyone. Yeah, I'm sorry. Why ain't it going in? Oh, yeah. I hate iPads sometimes. I really hate them. Mine, for some reason, is not. I can't do it. Basically, got to push this together, and then it will work. It was really loose. when I first got it, but it's gone really tight now. I don't know why, and I do not like it. I'm just going to take his head off. I can't do it. I honestly can't do it. Don't know why, but I can't do it. Looked fine on my practice attempt. How am I meant to transform him now? Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. You can't transform me without doing that, because these bits need to go in there, and then this bit won't reach up. See, it won't reach. Why does it have to be so tight? Everything's in the way. No, I can't do it. There. I can't do it. It's really annoying, but I can't do it. Stupid. You people. I'm going to try one more time. If not, I'm going to have to get my dad to do it, because I just can't do it at all whatsoever. Come on, man. Please be nice to me. Why do you have to fight me? Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is. It's this bit. It's getting in the way. Oh! Can't believe I did not notice that. Oh, don't you hate that when you think you can't do something and you realise it's something stupid stopping you from doing it? Right. Right, don't worry, I've calmed down now, I've calmed down. I'm good, I'm cool. Seriously though. There we go, make sure it goes all the way. Now you can do this bit. Oh wait, actually, you want to tab the arms in first, and to do that I need to get the wheels out of the way. Do that, and then do this. And then do this. Now you tab the arms in, and you see this clip right here goes into this hole right here. Right, so just tab it in. Okay, now if you need to. Oh, I can't believe that. Same thing on the other side. Just tab it in there. Okay, you don't know what you're doing there. Right. Make sure this is on the outside. Otherwise, make sure this is on the outside. Otherwise, it'll bend awkwardly. But now, this is where you're going to do the chest piece. So these grey things, they go into these slots here, but they don't actually tab in. And I thought when I first got it, I thought, oh, how does that work then? But then I realised you have to pull this piece up now to lock it all in place. It just goes in like that. Basically goes in like that. I think we're done, people. I believe so, we are done. Are we? Yes, I believe we are. No, the only problem is this is a right look. Oh, I actually... Oh yeah, one point I forgot. You pull his hand out and then... Yeah, whatever you want. And there... Yeah, I actually made him stand up. And we have B. In a robot form. You just have a few gimmicks. Keep an eye on his head. There's grooves on his head. If you feel them, get your nail. I dropped him. Basically, these grooves on his head, that's what they are. You get your nail in them. Put down. There we come. His battle mask. He has a cannon. And I mean, you can kind of use this as a sword if you want to. That's what I do. I use it as a sword. It's not meant to be, but yeah. I like doing this as well. His cannon extends, so it's even longer. He's got a better range. And then this bit comes in front, so he can aim properly. Bang! Ouch! I'm saying ouch when I drop things. I don't know why. But there we go. There's B. In his robot form. And well, that's it, I'm afraid. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a very long time to make. I have been wanting a leader class figure for a very long time, as I've already said. And as I've already said, I'm wanting to do a review for a long time. As I've already said, I just want to say thanks to those 3 people: Octobonimus, Piog, Emgo316. If you type those guys in, they all did Transform reviews. Emgo316 has got mascot. A mascot's really funny. Octobonimus can be funny sometimes. Piog. Now, I've watched Octobonimus and Emgo more than I have Piog. I've only watched a few videos on Piog, but all the ones from Piog I've liked a lot. So, I'm just saying, if you want to look for yourselves, those 3 guys: Octobonimus, Piog, Emgo316. Just saying. Thanks. If it weren't for those, I wouldn't have done this review. And also thanks to Emgo, because I wouldn't have bought this figure if it weren't for him. Oh, I forgot something. Yeah, I wouldn't have bought this figure if it weren't for him. These bits up here, these bits where the grills are, you can help me here. You can lift them up like so, and then you can move them back. So like that. That's what the instructions tells you to do. I personally like doing that, but unfortunately, this one likes to be a pain and doesn't open. So I have to keep them closed, otherwise it looks stupid. So that is unfortunate. And also, just remember, if you do that, just remember to obviously put them back. Every time you move him, you just remember, if you want to transform him, put them back down, otherwise he will look goofy and covered. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me feedback, comment, anything really, because any kind of feedback I get, I'll give me the courage to make another video. So goodbye, see you tired, and let the bed bug bite. Gun in your face.